Hello children. Children, now from your Value Education book, again we are here, chapter 16. I'm going to summarize this lesson, the two sides of a shield. So after summarization, we will discuss about the moral of the story, moral of this chapter. So what happened? This is a story of two soldiers. So one day, one soldier, the first soldier, he mounted his horse and rode towards westwards. And on his way, he came across a huge and beautiful piece of sculpture. Sculptures are the statues which are carved. It is a work of art. So in this piece of sculpture, there was a golden shield. And as the first soldier observed this piece of art minutely, he was surprised to see that that piece of sculpture has a golden shield. And meanwhile, the second soldier, he was also riding eastwards on his horse. The first soldier, he rode westward, and the second soldier, he was riding eastward on his horse. And he too noticed the piece of sculpture of the sword and the shield. He also came near of that sculpture and surprised to see that piece of art and said, "This piece of sculpture has a silver shield." The first soldier heard him and immediately he said, "You fool, it is not silver shield. Can't you see that is golden?" So the second soldier, he said, "My friend, actually you are a fool. Can't you see that is not a golden but a silver shield?" And they started an argument among each other, and soon the matter grew so serious that they pulled out their swords and they were on the verge of fighting with each other. Suddenly, the goddess of forest appeared before them, and the goddess said, "Dear soldiers, I have heard your arguments. The truth is that both of you are right. You know that a shield has two sides, don't you? And each of you has seen only one side of the shield. How can you guess? Because one soldier was moving from westward and other was moving from eastward. Well, then the goddess said that you can change your places and you can see the other side of the sculpture also and assure yourself. Now both the soldier, they changed their places and they could see the other side of the shield. The soldier who insisted that the shield was golden could see the silver side, and one who thought that the shield was silver could see the golden side. And both of them, they realized their mistakes. They had now not bothered to see both the sides, and they started arguments, they started fighting. Unless one sees both the sides of anything, one will never know the truth. Children, you know that we can compare the life also same way. As a coin has two sides, Every person has two faces. Every person has two qualities, the positive also and the negative also inside. You can see in one person. So there are two sides everywhere. When your mind is giving the importance, it calls it good or bad. It's not what you look at that matter, but it's how you think about it. So pleasure and pain, then positivity, negativity, good, bad, the two phases of life. Now totally depends on you which phase you are going to choose. So you accept both the phases and you must see both the sides if you want to reach to the conclusion. So with these words, thank you everyone and have a nice day. Be safe, be healthy.